Alright guys, so I'm getting his stuff ready for the morning. I'm gonna change his diaper because last time I checked his diaper was dry. So he needs a diaper change. Got some wipes. I am doing formula. I'm doing like a mix of both. So I'll put him on my breast for a few minutes and then I'll take him off. And I'm not really making a lot of milk. So I then have to substitute with some formula. And I just have this ready out. And then I grab the nipple. I don't like open it just yet. I allow him to finish and then I'll go in because the timer starts as soon as you open it because it's only good for an hour. So I don't open it just yet. Good morning, handsome. Yeah, good morning. Wiggy, wiggy. He is so cute, guys. Look at him. Look at my baby. Yeah, look what I created. So I've been doing skin to skin where I just expose it all. And then I open up his blankets and I put him on my chest. And he absolutely loves it. And then I'll put him on the breast. Keep him there for a while. And then I'll take him off and get him milk. But since this is YouTube, I'm gonna try to like show you guys what I do. Try to show you guys as much as I can without trying to show my goods to the world. But Papa's sleeping. He's a big baby, so his hat doesn't fit him. It slips off all the time. These are very, very small hats. They need to have 3 sizes: extra small, small, and large, because my baby does not fit these little hats. Yeah, because you're a big boy. Oh no, baby. He is so handsome. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna change his diaper. So take him, hold him one hand behind his head. I use my gown as like a head cushion. Look at him. He looked like the chunky version of his sister. My baby girl was born 6 pounds. She was born 39 weeks, 6 pounds. And like, oh, what's that? Why does it look like that? It's warm, buddy. He doesn't like getting his diaper changed, so you hear him cry. He hates this part. Did you poopy? Oh, no poopy. No poopy. So, I'm gonna throw this out. He does not like getting his diaper changed. I might have to grab like a wipe warmer for him because he does not like to get his diaper changed with cold wipes. Like, I guess he's a temperature sensitive baby. My daughter didn't really have that much problems. She didn't have that problem at all. So I know, buddy. I know, Papas. So now that he's unwrapped, I just like put on my body, on my chest, I mean. Okay, he is so warm. Okay, you hungry? Look. I love you. Uh-oh. He's hungry, he's looking for chest. Which one we gonna do? This one. Okay guys, so this is what I do. I stays here until, I don't know, for like 10 minutes, and then I'll go and give him the formula from the hospital. And yeah, but for now, I'm gonna just lay back and let him. That's Yaria. Come say hi. Yeah, come say hi. Look, it's your baby brother. Isn't he so cute?
Wow.
Yeah, you can wash your hands and then sit here right next to me.
Did they give you milk?
There's milk in there?
No, is that carton? Is that milk?
Yeah, that's a nasty ass old 1990s looking fucking milk company. Don't nobody drink that type of milk.
Milk like that. It's like elementary.
Contractions. Contractions.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what they did, but look at his hair. They did like some little cute thing. You see it? He's like brushed out. He's like polished.
Fat boy.
They gave him Bobo. I guess he was crying too much.
Oh yeah.
He's a baby cry. He's for sure. Zalia was not like that time. I remember her. She used to do this all the time, but she would not cry for milk. He cries for milk. He gonna cry. Look. He was gonna say there.
She's gonna try to come over there.
Yeah, she is.
You know her.
Hi, baby. You poopy.
Not sure.
Baby. He's sleeping. You poopy, baby love?
That's your brother.
He pooped?
Who's that?
She pooped that thing. Do you bring her diapers? Oh, she poopy.
She did not poop.
Baby, you poop?
Wow.
That's your baby. Yeah, that's your baby brother. Él es tu hermano. Say hermano.
She ain't poop. What you
No, I think he pooped. Hi, pretty. Mommy could finally play with you and not feel miserable. I was thinking about all the activities I want to play with her.
Good enough.
You want to have fun, don't you? Yeah, that's for the baby. Yes.
Ow!
Who is that?
Ow!
Say hi.
Oh.
Daddy's feeding the baby? Who is that? What's his name? What's his name? He's looking for more milk. Look at his eyes. Hi. Look, his eyes are open. Yeah. Hungry again, Papas? You hungry? Yeah. Those eyes are opening up. Let's see. Okay.
Me, Mom.
Hi, baby. Look at his face. You see that?
I'm gonna change it to Mugga because he always me Mugga.
He just shit it. He just pooped. He farted or he pooped? You farted or you poopy? Oofa. It stink. I didn't think it actually stink. I thought it smelled like milk.
You're right. Doodle always gonna be doodle.
That's just stink.